TikTok Shutdown 2025. Who should pay? Rebuild your business fast. Is the US or China responsible for your lost income? Plus, tips to rebuild your TikTok business in 2025. TikTok is officially shutting down in the US, and millions of content creators and small businesses are left scrambling to recover their lost income. So, who should pay for this? America or China? In this video, we will dive deep into the debate, break down the challenges you are facing, and share actionable steps to rebuild your business stronger than ever. What you will learn: who is responsible for compensating your lost income, the US government or TikTok's parent company? How to recover financially and emotionally from the TikTok ban. Proven strategies to diversify your business across other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Expert tips for building a resilient content strategy for 2025. Why watch this video? Real-world examples of creators who bounced back from major setbacks. Inspiring, actionable advice to help you turn this challenge into an opportunity. Guidance on how to future-proof your business in an ever-changing digital world. Do not let the TikTok shutdown be the end of your story. Join us as we explore the path forward and show you how to reclaim your income, community, and confidence. Subscribe now for more social media strategies, business tips, and inspiring stories. Imagine yourself standing in front of an American flag backdrop, holding a smartphone with TikTok on the screen, with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey friends, TikTok is gone, and millions of businesses across the USA are left scrambling. Content creators, influencers, small businesses, everyone who built their brand on TikTok is now asking the big question: who should pay for this, America or China? If you are one of the thousands of people who have lost your TikTok-based income, you are not alone. Today, we are diving into this controversial topic, exploring the challenges you are facing, and breaking down what your options are. And hey, stick around, because I will also share 3 powerful solutions for how you can rebuild your business even stronger in 2025. Let's get into it. Section 1. The fallout of losing TikTok, the problem: loss of revenue streams. Many creators and businesses relied on TikTok as their primary income source through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. Example 1. Jessica, a small batch candle maker, made $10,000 monthly through TikTok Shop. Overnight, her orders vanished. Example to Mike, a fitness influencer, lost his brand deals that depended on TikTok traffic. The solution: diversify income sources. Start building a presence on multiple platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Stories. For example, Jessica repurposed her TikToks for Instagram and regained 70% of her audience within 2 months. Think of it like investing. You do not put all your eggs in one basket unless you are really into omelets. Solution: to monetize your expertise. Use platforms like Patreon, Substack, or personal websites to sell exclusive content or host webinars. For example, Mike started a subscription-based fitness program, making up for his lost brand deals. Here is a pro tip: remember, people will pay for value. If you have built trust, your audience will follow. Solution 3. Legal options. Consider whether the government or a class action lawsuit could address lost income. For example, some creators are banding together to demand compensation from either the US or Chinese governments for their business losses. Section 2. Emotional and community impact. The problem: loss of community. TikTok was not just a business platform, it was a place where communities thrived. Losing that connection can feel isolating. Example 1. Rachel, a mental health advocate, used TikTok to reach teens struggling with anxiety. Now, she feels disconnected from her audience. Example to Dan's small-town cooking channel was a hit with followers who loved his grandma's recipes. The solution: rebuild on other platforms. Shift your community to Instagram, Discord, or even a dedicated email list. For example, Rachel started a private Facebook group for her followers, providing a safe space to reconnect. Think of it as moving houses. Sure, it is a hassle, but the new place might have better snacks. Solution: to collaborate with others. Partner with other creators to cross-promote and grow your audience quickly on new platforms. For example, Don teamed up with another chef on YouTube to create a viral grandma-inspired cooking series. Solution 3. Use paid advertising. Invest in ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram to find and reconnect with your lost audience. For example, Rachel spent $50 on Instagram ads and brought 1,000 followers to her new platform in just a week. Section 3. Reimbursement debate. The problem: who is responsible for the financial loss? The TikTok ban has sparked a heated debate. Should the US government reimburse creators for lost income? Or does the responsibility fall on China for the app's failure to address security concerns? Solution 1. US government accountability. Creators can petition Congress or state governments for economic relief programs. For example, after losing her TikTok business, Emma joined a coalition lobbying for small business grants in response to the shutdown. Solution to class action lawsuits: consider joining or starting a lawsuit against TikTok or the US government for damages. For example, several creators filed a lawsuit claiming the TikTok ban violated their ability to make a living. Solution 3. Personal financial resilience. Focus on rebuilding independently by creating emergency funds and multiple revenue streams. For example, Chris diversified his income by offering consulting services while rebuilding his TikTok audience on YouTube Shorts. Section 4. Building a stronger future. The problem: overcoming fear of future platform dependence. Many creators are now wary of building their business on a single platform, fearing another shutdown. The solution: build your own platform. Create a website or blog to own your audience and reduce dependence on third-party platforms. For example, Sarah launched a blog for her DIY crafts, offering tutorials and affiliate links to generate income. Solution to focus on email marketing: build an email list to directly connect with your audience, free from algorithm changes. For example, Emma gained 10,000 email subscribers by offering free fitness PDFs as lead magnets. Solution 3. Educate yourself. Stay informed about digital trends and platform policies to future-proof your business. For example, Chris took an online course on digital marketing to keep up with the latest strategies. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling with upbeat music playing in the background. Please comment on who should pay for this ban, US or China, and what actions you decided to take. Whether you think the US or China should pay, one thing is clear: your hard work deserves protection. Do not let the TikTok shutdown be the end of your story. Here is what you can do next. Start diversifying your platforms today. Join my coaching program for personalized advice on rebuilding your business. Subscribe to this channel for more strategies to thrive in 2025. Remember, setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Let's make this your biggest year yet. Thanks for watching. You have got this.